Welcome back in, everyone. Our topic tonight is all things divorce and child custody. Jessica Drennan. I was thinking Jessica Kirk Drennan. Jessica Drennan is our attorney for this evening. Derek has been holding patiently on the line, so let's turn quickly to Derek here in Birmingham. Derek, thank you for your patience. Go right ahead with your question.
Hi, yes. My wife, presently, I'm married with right now. We've been married for 8 years, but we want to file a divorce, but we're not seeking anything because we've already separated all of our assets, and I put her in a place. We just got irreconcilable differences. Do we have to go to court for that, since we're not trying to take anything from each other or need anything from one another?
Great question.
It is a good question. You do not have to go to court. You can get a divorce. We call it uncontested divorce. That's when the two of you agree on how to divide your property. You agree on everything. You basically need to draft the appropriate paperwork. I would recommend you get a lawyer to draft the paperwork because it's a little technical, but it's not nearly as expensive as a contested divorce. And the lawyer will put in the agreement that you have, you don't want any of her property. She doesn't want any of your property. And you'll sign, there's a little packet of documents you sign. It'll be filed with the court, and you basically, the judge will sign off on it at some point, and then you'd be divorced, and you never really have to step foot in a courtroom.
And that's a pretty quick process?
It's at least 30 days.
Okay.
So in Alabama, there's a 30-day statutory waiting period. So once you file that initial paperwork, you have to wait that 30 days before the judge can sign off on it.
Okay.
So yes, that's pretty fast though. It's faster than in other states.
Yes. Are you surprised, based on numbers that you're seeing, ranked 7th or 8th in the nation, Alabama is for divorces? Is that surprising to you?
I mean, I think I'm surprised that our state is that high up on the list, but I think, I didn't know those numbers, but I'm not sure what's causing that, honestly.
Have things slowed down since COVID?
Absolutely not.
They have not.
No.
Okay.
No.
Have they sped up more?
No, they're sped up. I mean,
Okay.
I've had to hire more people at the firm.
Oh, wow.
We work long hours
Okay.
to try to help our clients.
Okay.
It's yes, there's quite a flow.
Okay, I didn't know if maybe things had kind of slowed, right after COVID it was crazy.
No.
We're still crazy.
No, it's
Busy.
just, I don't know what's causing it, but maybe it's a lot of times when you have economic turmoil or high prices or lower wages and things like that, then you have stress in the family. Finances cause stress in the family, and that can really be an instigator for divorce. And maybe that's what's going on. I mean, eggs are like $8 a dozen at some places, so maybe that's it. I don't know.
Yeah, interesting. So question for you, do you ever see divorce coming into play when it comes to personal injury situations?
Yes.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, we have situations where, I mean, you would need to speak to this too. So a claim is an asset.
It is.
And so if somebody, gets in a trucking accident or a car accident or something like that, and they have a spouse, and then we have had the situation where, unfortunately, the wreck has caused a lot of, like you were talking about, turmoil. It's caused a lot of stress in the family, and it can lead to a change in somebody's status, and including divorce. And so while you're in the middle of it, if status changes and you go through a divorce, a big question becomes, okay, what do we do with this marital asset?
Right.
And is it just if you get a divorce, should you settle your case before you get divorced? Afterwards?
Interesting.
If you try your case, and there's also, what kind of testimony you're going to get out of the other spouse.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's we do have, it doesn't happen that often, but we have had to walk gingerly and navigate it, which is just part of the job. But yeah, that's a great question. It does happen.
Just wondered. Just wondered. Wonderful. Well, thank you for that.